Today I'm diving into an amazing alternative that you might not even know existed, and I'm challenging myself to see if it really lives up to hype. And it's not Google, and not any other software. It's WPS. Yes, you heard me, WPS. WPS is one of the best software that I have tried, and it's very good in the Microsoft Office competition. If you didn't know, WPS is a program that is like Microsoft Office, covering everything from Word to PDF and Excel and more stuff. So if you want to install WPS, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser, and when you go to your browser, you could type in WPS download, or you could go and click the link in the description. I'm going to search WPS download. And when you get here, after you search and click enter, you can get to this. You'll see the first option says free download WPS Office. And right here, you will see multi options. You can get it for Android and iOS, and you can get it for Windows or Mac or Linux. I'm currently using Windows, so I'll download for Windows. But if you have a Mac, you want to use Mac. And after you download it, you might want to install it, and after you install it, you do everything. So when it's installed, you want to open the app, and here you go. You have everything like Microsoft Office. So if you want to make a doc, if you want to make like a Microsoft Office Word, you want to make a doc or write something, you could come here to the left, and you can click blank. And right here is a best alternative for Microsoft Word. You see multi options of Microsoft Word. Perhaps you want to make PowerPoint or Google Sheet. Not Google Sheet, or Excel is sheet, and PDF is like for PDF. You can also, when you click home, you can also connect your WPS to your Google Drive. That will also help you organize more stuff. Right here it's showing me because I clicked it, but you can click it and you can get to wherever you want. You can manage your folders by going to my PC, and right here you could manage every folder you want. But I want to show you this how the PowerPoint for WPS looks like. Has almost everything. Like I can write hello for my presentation, and I can do it. And for Excel, quote unquote Excel, you can make blank, and right here you see 100% like Excel. And for the PDF, you want to open a PDF so you can find, and like I can open the guide and I'll see more stuff. So if you want to go to the Word and you want to do something with settings based on whatever project you have, you come to the menu, and right here are the settings options that you could control. So like sometimes I do stuff with my Google Microsoft Word, and I want to change the settings so it can be set for my purpose. And right here you'll see multi settings they have. For general and save, right here you can change the way that you save the file. You could change it to docx for like Microsoft Word document, or you could change it whatever you want right here. For like WPS Writer document right here, .wps. It's a special file for WPS, but I don't recommend it. You could keep it on docx. That's what it's preference for Microsoft Word if you want to make 100% look like Microsoft Word. And you can click OK, and right here you got everything. And we get right here to the end of the video. If you want to learn more about technology stuff and financial stuff, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.